Hello everyone. We recently traveled from Pune, India to Newark, New Jersey. And our first flight was from Pune to Delhi and then from Delhi to Newark. So let's check our business class experience from Pune to Delhi. So we have started to Pune airport from Port Road, and it is a bright sunny day after few days of heavy rain. We are flying from Pune to Delhi and then from Delhi to Newark, New Jersey. Our flight is at 6:50 p.m. and we decided to reach Pune airport 3 hours earlier to complete all the check-in and security formalities. We didn't experience much traffic, but since Pune traffic is usually very heavy, plan to leave accordingly. This is the Kharki cantonment area. Look at how beautiful it has become. I know Indian government has started an Agnipath scheme. It is a unique opportunity to fulfill the dream of youth by joining the armed forces and serving the nation. The scheme will not only empower, discipline and skill youth with military ethos in civil society, but also improve battle preparedness suited to the changing dynamics. Here is the Pune airport. Pune airport is a military airport, and so photography and videography are not allowed. And so I don't have any pictures to show you. After check-in and security checks, we then relaxed at the Pune Earth Lounge. Now is the time to board the flight. The seats are spacious with more leg room. Let me show you some interesting clips now. We have enough room to keep cabin bags in the overhead bins. Now let's see what's here inside. After that, we are now served with the choice of buttermilk or watermelon juice. Wow, it feels so refreshing. Here is the reading light and the AC vent. Then we are served with the magazines and newspapers to read.
With cloudy skies. Please sit back, relax and enjoy the airway in-flight hospitality, and we'll get back with further details en route. Do all this crossing at the port.
Did you see how a passenger boarding bridge is now being detached?
ऑक्सीजन मास्क आपकी सीट के ऊपर लगी यूनिट में रखें हैं। कैबिन में हवा का दबाव कम होने पर मास्क अपने आप नीचे आ जाएंगे। अपने कोविड मास्क और वाइजर को हटाएं। मास्क को अपनी ओर खींचें, नाक और मुंह पर लगाएं। There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. 2 doors in the front, 2 doors are there are 4 windows above the wings. They are clearly identified by exit sign. In an emergency, exit path light will illuminate and guide you to the nearest exit.
Flight is taking off, and let's experience the takeoff now. Yay! Look at the view, how beautiful it is. The tray table comes out of the armrest.
सुरक्षा और घोषणा कोविड-19 के प्रकोप के कारण भी जिसके द्वारा जारी की गई है। आपको सूचित किया जाता है कि अतिथि और क्रू के बीच में परस्पर वार्तालाप कम से कम रखा जाएगा, जो कि सुरक्षा पर केंद्रित होगा। सामान्य और रेस्पिरेटरी हाइजीन का पालन करें। यदि आप वॉशरूम के बाहर केवल एक ही यात्री के मौजूद होने की अनुमति है।
We are all set for our meal now. So in the vegetarian food, I have taken the paneer and mixed vegetable and jeera rice. I think food is one of the most important factors in any flight. Getting the good food is the key, apart from the hospitality, entertainment, and good sleep. We also have some dessert, some salad, yogurt and some pickle. And here is the butter too. And this is the cup for the tea or coffee. For short distance flights, the good food definitely scores a lot. We are now served with 2 options in veg and in non-veg food. My kids have taken pasta option in veg. Wow, the food is very delicious, very hot and yummy too. Now we are served with the hot tea and my kids have taken the hot milk. We are extremely happy with the hospitality. Cabin crew came to us several times confirming we are happy and comfortable. Then was the time to relax. 2 hours went pretty fast. We can already see Delhi now. Let's get ready for the landing. So we are here at the Delhi airport. Hope you liked this video and found this video informative and useful. Please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel.